Good morning, this is Lonnie Bowers with Guarantee RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to show you this 2020 Arctic Fox Silver Fox Edition 285C model. Great storage in the front for a small coach. It's also generator ready. Got your propane tanks here on the side. 14 gallons total. Great pass-through, all magnetic, so there's no latches to hold, which makes it nice. Good storage underneath for a smaller fifth wheel. Electric awning, solid steps. It's a 3-slide coach. When you walk inside, this interior is called Elegant Truffle. You've got great storage space, solid surface countertops, center island, double sinks, double 4-door refrigerator, nice large TV, corner booth in the rear, more storage and space under the window there. You've got 2 recliners that are also heated and massage, ceiling fan, 2 roof air conditioners, and again, great storage in here. Nice pantry for your kitchen area. 3-burner stove. It's a Furion stove and countertop, cooktop. More storage here. You've got drawer storage underneath. Something I like a lot about these coaches is your extended storage for canned goods or dry goods of any type. Nice little cutout here for garbage can. Emptied by your counter, covered underneath. You also have corner storage here on this end. So it makes for great storage in a smaller fifth wheel. Fireplace. You walk up into here, you've got a pass-through bathroom. 2 entries, one from the bedroom, one from the hall. Nice corner shower. Again, solid surface, fantastic fan, skylight. And when you walk through into the bedroom, you've got your slide here with your wardrobe. Lots of hanging storage here. And another cabinet here. You've got nightstands on both sides with electrical. This is an adjustable bed. You have your remote over there. Good storage in here as well. Full walk-around bed. Nice rounded corners on your walls. Another fantastic fan here and a skylight. Got a residential style door. Just nice styling. Glass front. It's a very well built coach. Aluminum superstructure. If you're looking at the Arctic Fox, you already know these are a great coach. Great value for the money. Again, a 3-slide coach, alloy wheels. You walk around the back, not only do you have your belly storage here, but you also have your rear ladder, full walkable roof, and you've got nice storage up above for totes and that type of thing that you can strap down on top there. Come see me at Guarantee RV if you're interested in this model. We have many more to choose from, different sizes, different lengths. But this coach for the money is a great value.